part of the NIST CHARIoT challenge, we developed A1R as a proof of concept, showing two sides of using spatial computing for incident command, in this case being able to view information in the form of a hologram map for managing a fire situation. You can expand the map to see the different layers in context, and you can turn on and off certain layers to give yourself different situational awareness. Information is tracked when you move, letting you focus on the event rather than managing interfaces or holding tablets and such. We have the large wall in the back, designed to let you keep full-scale perspective while you zoom in on a smaller scale of the incident. This interface can scale to other disaster situations, and you can see that the goal is to have a continuous situational awareness of what's going on and be able to manage incidents on the fly in a more robust way than is currently possible. To have wall screens this large would require projectors or other kinds of technology. Now with these kinds of headsets, we can have almost infinite space and can walk through the data, giving us a new perspective. The other side of this is to have a heads-up display for first responders. So these would be field personnel, but potentially also even robotic elements that are able to see what information they need and be able to leave markers in the space without needing to clog up radio traffic. This interface is primarily operated via eye gaze. So as you see, as I move around, this small cursor on the screen, difficult to see, but it represents my eye tracking. So this is implemented in Magic Leap 1. This does indeed run. It really is floating in front of my vision right now. And it represents a proof of concept of what a future interface would look like to enable, for example, the discovery of a victim, the routing of trajectory. You have your compass up top that shows you where your heading is, and this is able to spatialize things that would otherwise be on a map, kind of abstracted from reality. Now you can get directly eyes on with what you need to see in the world, and that frees up your hands to be able to actually work on challenges that you may face as a first responder. So this interface design connects with the hologram design to enable both sides of the incident to be effectively managed. So the eyes in the sky can give us different notifications and interact with us, and then on the ground we can stay fully aware of the context on the fly as the scenario progresses. We can even overlay certain other information atop the reality itself to give ourselves kind of X-ray vision